What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. I am here with you guys today with my banner right behind me. It took me a week to make it with the help of Entos Performance. You guys know him already. Most of you probably know him. You know, makes the decals, custom shirts like he did for me right here. Just like that. I got a few different colors. You know, whenever I go to a meet or something like that, I gotta represent my own self, not a different brand or a company. You guys know me. But my banner is literally right there. So you guys ready to see it? It could have took me a week to make it official. All right, so I got mine in red. I'll tell you guys right now the details real quick. Where can you get it? How you can make yours, or like what kind of color you want. So I'm gonna make this fair to everybody. So let me turn the camera around. All right, that is mine right there. This is red and it's also reflective. So when you put light onto it, it's gonna be reflective at night in the evening. That's the logo I came up with on the side. So only one thing I'm missing here is just, you guys could have the state right here. Like I'm just missing New York over here as like, for instance, I've had like 50 people, subscribers who are gonna be buying, my friends and stuff like that, are gonna be buying this banner for their Accords. They're gonna have New York here. If they're in New Jersey, they're gonna put New Jersey. If you're in California, you can put California. Just make sure you DM Entos Performance on Instagram and give him the code RLD RLM 15 to get your 15% off. I'll put his IG as well. You can make any like this. You just can't change the font, you can't change the design of it, you can't change the logo, none of that. Only thing you can say is request. If you're in California, you would have California up here. I'm gonna get mine's New York here, of course. You can also change the whole color of it. Like let's say you have a white Accord and you want like an oil slick type of material, you can have that. I'm not gonna like have you guys stricted on, okay, you can only have one color, that's it. You know, you can have the whole thing, whole banner in like yellow or green, whatever suits your Accord that you know, gives that contrast. So that's what I'm gonna allow, pretty much, just to change the color. And of course, let them know that you're from California or like North Carolina. You would have that up here on this side. It'll look pretty dope. And I just really want to show you guys the installation video on this, of course, because I don't want you guys to mess up or go to a shop and pay like 50 bucks or 40 bucks to do it for you. You could do it yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and start on this. Make sure you clean that sun strip area with rubbing alcohol. Best bet. Will stick really good. You won't have that many bubbles. So we'll go ahead and get to it. All right, as you guys could see here, I measured each side. It's 10.7 inches or 10.5 inches, like that, on each side. Make sure it's straight. See that? Even just for example, just stand right here, check each corner, make sure it's straight. Use masking tape, and what you want to do next is peel off one side. Take off the masking tape, peel off one side halfway, and just cut in the middle, and just kind of you know, make sure it's straight and just bring it right back down. Make sure you stretch it too, like that, how I have it stretched out, and then I put masking tape. I then just drop it down there and put masking tape. I kind of stretched it, so make sure there's no like creases or anything like that. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm actually gonna reuse this as my line. I already got my line here. So I kind of have that, when I use this as a line, like how it curves you a little bit, that's what I put that tape there, so I know where to line up the clear liner so I don't mess it up like I would. So that's why I don't put it like this or a little bit higher. So it just matches it right up there. That much, a little bit more than I wanted to do, and just kind of It's good if you have two people, but whatever. You know what? I'm gonna let it be because it's not working out well. So I'm gonna go use this trick. Just let it fold underneath it, just like that. I'm gonna make sure it lines up here. Okay. So it lines up here. So what you want to do now is use a card or something and go that way, alright? Which I gotta grab. Alright guys, my apologies for that. So let's go ahead and go inwards with this. You want to go inwards because the banner's got to go that way. Now you're going to make it go downwards as well, and then upwards as well. Now to the other side. I usually like to cut it in the middle because you see how it's like a crease here, but obviously I kind of stretch it so it's fine now. But usually I like to cut it in the center so it stays flat rather than having this tiny bump over here. But it is what it is, so make sure you just start off over there just like I did. So, and then from this side you're gonna take off the masking tape, pull my cord a little bit, and just peel off this portion here, right here. But what we want to do now is, well, we want to do the same thing here, of course, because you want to line up the, what's it called? You want to line up the vinyl. So you don't want to mess that part out. There you go. Just put a marking for myself. Whatever works for you guys, it's best. But and I'm using the masking tape, so I'm holding the masking tape as you see. I'm holding this with my masking tape, so this comes off. This white piece that's there. Now I could use this and kind of bring it straight downwards and line it up. There you go, it lined it up and I dropped it right down. So now what I want to do is, and it's perfectly straight now. Just it'll take a few minutes extra to do this, but what you did is you saved yourself a lot of money by not going to a shop. And yeah, and this D right here, I actually lined it up with my the window itself, like up to here, just a little bit below it. That's it. So this way I'm not taking up any space, like right here. This is a perfect spot in the center, and I'm also not blocking the sensor right here in the center that you guys want to also not block. So the hard part's done, right? It's on. You know what the easy part is? I'm actually gonna put this somewhere behind in the back of the back windshield, whatever. So keep it under, make sure it's good. If you want to run your like thumbs on it, like back and forth motion, so kind of heat it up with your own like body heat temperature, so it sticks really good. What actually works, some people do that for their vinyl, they kind of use their thumb to heat it up, and it actually works, guys. You don't need a heat gun or anything. Weather is great outside right now. It's like 70 degrees, 75. And like I told you guys, my rubbing alcohol, I have no bubbles. And he's got the best quality as well. So show you guys how to install this. Sorry if it's taking a bit long, but showing you guys the proper way. You guys know me. You got the banner and you got the installation video. So let it sit there for a minute or so. I'll put the stuff back, take the trash off, and then we're gonna peel off that clear tape. All right, I'm gonna take off the clear sheet over the banner right now. You guys, this is the best quality you're ever gonna get. He makes custom shirts as well, so whatever you guys need, DM him on his IG at Entos Performance. Make sure you guys want to take this off, take it off slowly, like make sure the decal, like the underneath the banner is not coming off or anything like that. Then make sure the weather is good, because if it's not, when you peel this off, the letters will stick to it as well. So you want to avoid that. You want to do it at perfect temperature. Like the sun is like setting right now. Like this is a perfect time to do it. I got this sign right above that, right onto it, which is perfect. This is great, guys. You want to make sure it's stuck. And then I'm gonna go on that side. We'll see how it comes out. Just like that. If you do it like this, it's a bit nicer and quicker. See that? And make sure you drag it downwards, not like this. So make sure it's flat and you're pulling. Perfect. It's done. That is crazy, guys. Let me get my camera up. Check that out. We are good to go on the banner. Thanks to Entos Performance. That came out great. Check it out. I'm gonna show you guys a clip at in the evening right now as well, to see how it looks with the light. But that's it right there. You guys want one? DM him on his IG. He'll give you a really good price, of course, because it's me. Great work, guys. It's just, you can just choose your own color, and make sure, don't forget about the state you want to put up there. I'm gonna put mine. He's gonna send it to me. I'm gonna put mine right there in New York. It's gonna be here automatically for you guys with this clear, but I got mine without it. I just got the idea of it. Like a few days later I got this, so that's it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna put a small clip just in the end to see how it looks at night. All right, now it's nighttime. This is no flash, okay? And now my flash is on. So check that out. This is sick, guys. That's fire. This is like my iPhone's flash, so imagine if you have like a car coming from the other end and bright, it will light up. Check that out. That's awesome. That's a reflective vinyl I got for myself. So that's it, guys. Definitely the code is RLM15, 15% off on your first purchase. DM Entos Performance to get one of these, and I will make a different IG. It's gonna be called Street Dynasty, and you guys can tag your accord there, and you'll be on the channel. I mean, on that page. So stay tuned for more awesome content. I appreciate you guys getting one if you do, And this is fire, man. I'm excited. Smash the like button and subscribe. Enable all notifications if you haven't already. Appreciate the support. Stay tuned until next time.